So sometimes we don't have time to take pictures unless it's something
we can. Yeah, so into engisho mina mashobana ukuthi asikwazi kuba sibe phakathi nendawo bafowethu ngezinto esikhulumayo. Okwesibili asikwazi futhi ukuthi sifike thina sithi sifuna ukwenza izinto peaceful bese sizolalela abantu abangekho kulento esiyenzayo. Fanele thina ekuyithina esizokushisa every day, thina singayiboni imindeni yethu every day, thina singayiboni izingane zethu. Uyazi nginengane na 2 years ekwazi ukwenza i-video call manje. Yes, ayikho into ebuhlungu every time ngikhuluma nengane yami ngigcwala inyembezi emehlweni because angikwazi ukuyibona, I can't even take my daughter out ukuthi siyodla nayo ingane ngiyoyithengela ama-bag, ngiyoyithengela ama-chips, ngiyoyithengela amanzi. Kodwa kubese kuqhamuka umuntu mfethu ohleli ongenzi lutho azofuna ukukhomenta ngento ngevideo ka 39 minutes, akhommente ngevideo akhethe 1 minute evidweni ewu-39 minutes, uyabo. So mina I'm too immune for that, I'm too strong for that. Social media will never break me. That's why mina abantu, they've called me everything, bangibiza ngayo yonke into, bathi angifundile, bathi angazi lutho, ngiwunduku yami, ngiyiqaba. But namhlanje the same people want to tell me ukuthi angenze kanjani izinto ezweni, yabo. Okokuqala nje angithunywa ngamuntu lento engiyenzayo, so you can't tell me ukuthi angenze kanjani into. Angenze uyabona mawuthi umuntu uyabheka ngithunywa ngamuntu mina ukuthi angiyothini. Akekho umuntu lo msebenzi engiwenzayo, I risk my life, I risk my family's life, I risk my wife's lives, I risk my children's life. Ngathi angihambe ngiyolwela izwe uma ngizohlala ngigone ingane yami, ngigone ingane yami basenkingeni, angingaphumela obani. Iliphi lelizwe leli ezizohlala kulo-ke kulungile-ke mina nazo sobabili si-right ke endlini, but iliphi lelizwe lizoba ezizophila kulo lona zodwa eligcwele amaphara, eligcwele ama-drug dealers. So asibe strong, wonke umuntu osebenzela isizwe akabe strong. Into social media is nothing. Abantu abahlala ku-social media are useless people, abantu abangenzi lutho. Right now as I'm talking, mhla ka-6 May namhlanje ngiye-point mina namhlanje. The same phakela umthakathi abamthukayo ku-social media uya ePoint uyobhekana nama-Nigerians bahleli lapha endlini abenzi lutho. Yes.
It's very painful.
Yeah, so angifuni mina nitatazeliswe ngabantu imkhovu nje engenzi lutho, ehlele ethulete edu, engenzi lutho, engalekeleli ngalutho, abangazi nokuthi ngispenda malini. Njengoba ngihamba nani from my pocket ngispenda malini. Thank you for abantu baku social media abasukumile bathi akunikele luphakela umthakathi, because this is why amatekisi emaningi namhlanje. Niyaphila ngane zakwethu. Siye-point njengamanje. Yekani lokhu nedolobheni ningamadoda, iPoint lideli balala nengane zakithi labantu lapha ePoint. Badlwengula ingane no 14 years lapha ePoint. Uyangezwa uthi ngithini? Niyabona bafowethu. So niqine nina nonke nisekumzabalazo. Qinani ngeke nje siphathwe abantu baku social media. Abantu abakhuluma kabi ngathi ku social media i-EFF namakwerekwere kuphela. Why do you care? Into nje mayikhulunywa umuntu we-EFF, why would you care? Because it's just a bunch of dumb stupid people with their stupid leader, abantu abanganandaba nezwe, who made their deal. Thina la eSouth Africa City abantu bokufika abahlale benamaphepha. Uma benza amabhizinisi angeke enziwe ngabantu bala eSouth Africa. Uma ngabe sibanikeza i-deadline kwaNongoma izolo sithi ngo-30 June sifuna nibe senihlelile, akhona amavidiyo bayawaziba. sifuna nibe senihlelile ukuthi nihamba nini nihamba kanjani. Lesi sikhathi ningakahambi la eSouth Africa kunento ebizwa ngokuthi i-social responsibility. Uma ngabe uzokwenza ibhizinisi endaweni ethile ikhona into ebizwa ngokuthi i-social responsibility. Ufika ubuke abantu bakule ndawo ukuthi benzani ebese uba supporta kuleyo nto ngoba you are benefiting from the same people. It's a giving back thing. So mangithi mina ngenza ama boot camps kulelizwe siyacela niwesekela uma boot camps. I'm talking ngendaba ye period yamanje yokuthi kusuka manje ke kuya kumhla ka 30 June njengoba sesinivumelile ukuthi ke operator ngoba izitolo eziningi kwaNongoma ziphethwe ngamakutshukutshu. You can't shut down the shops on the same day. I closed them down. I called the meeting. I did something even municipality can't do. Akaze kubizwe amakutshukutshu emhlanganweni abizwe umuntu phaqa. Akaza bizwe umuntu phaqa, angabizwa umeya noma abizwe ikhansela noma abizwe amaphoyisa noma abizwe umunye umuntu. But I did it. I did it. I closed their shops and I called them in a meeting and they came in a meeting and then I told them, good guys, fanele nihambe, you can't own amaspaza shops. And two, okay, kulungileke ngoba amaspaza shops okwamanje lawe niwa ownayo ngaphakathi edolobheni. We are not ready. Phela mina I'm realistic man. I'm not a mafunje evela ivuke kuseni isangane. We are realistic. Right now, kwaNongoma, we don't have the funding yet. Yokuthi sithi muntu wakithi omnyama thatha nansi i-tuck shop ene stock sika 500,000. So they can operate for 1 month from now until end of June. For a month and a half actually. So I granted that because it would be stupid should shut down the town abantu bengazi bazoyithenga phi izinto ezincane. But in that meeting we said from yesterday we are going to make sure ukuthi impahla abayidayisayo zi-right, abantu ababasebenzelayo babakhokhela kahle, nayo yonke imithetho ehambelana nokusebenza edolobheni kufaka phakathi nokuthi akungalalwa phakathi ezitolo. Uyabo sikhulume yonke leyo nto and then amakwerekwere namakwerekwere EFF ayasuka zothi hayi usethatha imali. I will never in this life. South Africa, let me tell you, eyibongweni zami kuthiwa uyikutshukutshu ungamani ubopha umthwalo hamba khathide ubuyele kwaNongoma ngoba ayikho indaba yokukhonza imbuku eThekwini. It's because mina nganqaba i-million when I was 22 years old. Nganqaba i-million lapha eClewudi ngithengwa ngale nqaba i-million eGoli njoba kade ngisegoli. Ade ngisegoli mina I was offered imali mina and I refused. So angifuni ukuthi bese ngizoyiprove kumuntu ongalilwe elize ongenandaba na. Wonke umuntu okhuluma ngento engikhulume ngayizolo ontshontsha into encane kwi-clip engikhuluma izolo nakhona ngiyikhuluma in passing sengiqedile ukukhuluma on the same video. You heard me ngikhuluma izinto ezimqoka and then you go and take that small amount of the speech. So I don't care. You must know what I don't care. And social media, I'm too strong for social media, man. You can't touch me. Yeah, I'm too strong for social media. You can't touch me. You've called me many names in social media, but I'm still here. I'm still making the difference. I am the one who's going there. I am the one who's going to point right now. Amakwerekwere njoba sikhuluma ayangizwa ngiyeza. So angeke ngiphikisane neziwula zezinja eziholwa umgodoyi ofile engqondweni ukuthi bangathi mina mangabe ngithi abantu abenza social responsibility ngoba nakho bethi we are unskilled. Mina I'm so skilled man. I'm more skilled than your leaders. I'm more capable than your leaders. I'm too strong on when compared to your leaders. So you can't tell me anything. You can't tell me, you can't bring me down. You are just a bunch of useless people abase South Africa who are stupid, who can't even imagine future. You can't even imagine future. You can't even imagine future for your kids. You hate your kids because you can't be not taking part if you love your country. Mina, I was trained, man. I'm a soldier. I was trained, man. I'm a soldier. If there was going to be a war in this country, I will be the war general. And that war will conquer. Okay, asambe siya machine bafowethu. Anginaso isikhathi sokudlala mina. Ngimfuna ngamasende umuntu lapha. Ngimfuna ngamasende umuntu lapha. Ngifuna indoda ehlala ku social media mina ikhulume wonke inhlobo yombhedo engazi lutho. There's something called social responsibility. They are forced ukuthi benakekele umphakathi, bethengele izingane zezikole izicathulo, bethengele omama amageja, bebiya amasimu because they are benefiting from South Africa. They are supposed to do that. before behambe they have to do that. Yonke leminyaka bayibala bathi bana 10 years 20 years bela, somebody was supposed to hold them accountable ukuthi pay kokhani i-social responsibility emphakathini. Anazi lutho niziwula niyahlanya nizimini imigodoyi. Mina ngiyobhekana nekwerekwere manje kubuhlungu kuyatsontsotha ezinjeni ezingafuni ukusebenza. Ngikunzi mina ngiyazazi nami obami umsizwa futhi buyangilingana bungangami ngqo ngeke uzungenze lutho nje. Hayibo esondika hayi uzoswa wena mina ngezwe bafowethu izwe lethu leli ningalokothi nishone phansi izwe lethu leli madoda izwe lethu leli bafowethu hawu asilalanga sihlela namhlanje iTheku sizohlala kulo njengegoli ama programs esiza nawo azokwenza indoda iphathwe iminciza ngiyanitshela mina ayizondikabi